Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about BigDye Direct Cycle Sequencing Kit. The BigDye Terminator Kit from Applied Biosystems uses 4 different fluorescent dyes to label ddNTPs, which are added sequentially to the primer through a cycle sequencing reaction. The kit provides all required reagents for the sequencing procedure in a reaction-ready pre-mixed format. These reagents are suitable for sequencing of single-stranded or double-stranded DNA templates, PCR products, and large templates. BigDye is a set of dye terminators labeled with novel, high-sensitivity dyes. The new dye structures contain a fluorescein donor dye, for example, 6-carboxyfluorescein, linked to one of 4 dichlorotamine acceptor dyes. The excitation maximum of each dye label is that of the fluorescein donor, and the emission spectrum is that of the d-rhodamine acceptor dye. The donor dye is optimized to absorb the excitation energy of the argon ion laser. The donor dye is optimized to absorb the excitation energy of the argon ion laser. The linker affords extremely efficient energy transfer between the donor and acceptor dyes. This was all. Thanks for watching.